Hi, it's time for Chapter 5 in Chakra Awakening. Transform your reality using crystals, color, aromatherapy, and the power of positive thought. So, I haven't touched on a lot of aromatherapy throughout this course yet, as far as these videos are concerned. But you will find the information in each chapter. And I will say that you can use rose water at this level, or even some rose wood. So, the green and pink energy of the heart chakra, which is what we're on right now on page 109, I would like to once again read you the very first paragraph. It's a short one. So put your awareness on the center of your chest. Be grounded, connect your feet to Mother Earth, and just receive this. You are love. Your true essence is love. Be aware that you are love in all that you do, say, think, feel, smell, taste, or know, and you will be happy and healthy all the days of your life. So as we delve into this chapter in this Chakra Awakening online book club, I would like for you to contemplate some things in regard to this particular chapter. You'll find some questions specifically on page 117, I believe it is. Yes, the exercise, Living and Loving Unconditionally. And I'd like for you to find yourself some really nice paper or some kind of a notebook like this. This one, actually, Choose Love, would be perfect if you wanted to do a whole journal just on the heart chakra, actually. And journal about each one of those questions that are posed on page 117. You can also make yourself a little altar if you'd like. And as you see in the still picture, that has a beautiful rose quartz. We have some malachite, green aventurine, kunzite. In fact, the kunzite we have is amazing. And so when you're working with kunzite, know that the intention with kunzite is that it just amplifies love. It radiates love in far distance. So if that can help you imagine that anytime you have kunzite anywhere near you, that you're radiating love as far and as wide as you possibly can, that in itself is a wonderful spiritual practice. For yourself first, and then for anyone that you interact with. It's very powerful. And all that we can do is practice this. We can practice love. We practice being unconditionally loving. Some days, maybe we're not so much there, and that's okay, because it's a practice. A rose quartz heart goes a long way on your desk, next to your nightstand as a reminder, using pink and green, any pink and green stones. These are rose quartz and green aventurine. You can use a piece of malachite. Malachite's really good for getting to the heart of the matter, to get to the center of why you may not feel love or why you do feel love. You can focus on why you do feel love and loving. So I like that. These spiraling energies, even the spiraling energy of my jacket that I'm wearing right now, it's bullseye, get to the heart of the matter. And you can wear clothing that is conducive as a reminder. So if I decided that the reason I wanted to wear this jacket, it was because we're filming right now, and we're filming the heart chakra, so I'm wearing green and pink, but I hadn't thought about it, but this is a perfect one for connecting with getting to the heart of the matter or getting to the center of your own truth, which is love. Well, that sums it up. I look forward to connecting with you on our Chakra Awakening online book club. We'll be meeting on Facebook, as you know. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me through my website at margaretannlembo.com. Thank you so much for watching.